Upchain provides a full complement of out-of-the-box business process workflows. However, it's simple and intuitive to create my own workflows. I can use the provided out-of-the-box system workflows as a starting point, or I can start with a blank canvas. Let's create a new workflow called Demo of the type Change Request. Creating and editing workflows is as simple as drag and drop. An extensive palette of user and system primitives is provided, which facilitates mapping of virtually any business process. Let's create a new change request. Note that I can select multiple individual objects and send these to a change request. Alternatively, I can select an assembly and the system will automatically collect all components within that assembly. Before we do that, note that all components are currently at a development state and have an initial development XREV. Here is our change request form. Let's enter in a short description. Note that we can select the release type, major or minor. We can also enter in individual revision notes if desired. Here on the left, I can add supporting documentation. Here we can select the workflow. The list that you see here will vary at each customer based on their desired workflows and business processes. Let's start the workflow. This will create the CR in the system and initialize the workflow process. Now, in this example, for ease of demonstration, I will play all roles in the workflow process. However, in a production environment, multiple personas would typically be involved. Let's go ahead and release the objects. Now that the change request has been approved, we see that all objects in the assembly have a status of released, and they have now been given a production revision.